Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. Let's take a look here at the importance of follow through. So here's a stock that took off on its monthly chart here. A nice gain for the month, but what was missing was follow through. There was no follow through. In other words, there was no move in the following month to the upside. And since then, you see that it's pretty much lost all the momentum. This is the monthly. Same thing can be seen here on the weekly. Failure to follow through. Strong week, but really there was no follow through. The week after this big gain was down, and since that down week, pretty much it's been struggling to hold those levels and has been sideways. You can also see that this was giving us an indication of running out of juice because it had one day huge up day, but the following day was not a positive follow through. So failure to follow through here would have led someone to realize that the stock was really running out of momentum very early on. No follow through on the monthly, no follow through on the daily, no follow through on the weekly. One of the reasons why we see this pullback. Now, evidence of follow through being significant in moving an instrument higher can be seen on the Dow. You can see the Dow had a huge day here. In fact, a huge day throughout all this period here. Positive days, and here it broke out. And the second day after that, it still closed higher. And since then, net, we see that because of those multiple follow-through days, the market continues to add on to its breakout levels. You can see this also on the weekly for the Dow. A huge gain here. It broke out above the previous weekly closing high, closed above it, and subsequently closed even higher on the second week of the breakout. That follow through was good enough to explain why the market continues to be strong. So whenever you see follow through, it's a good sign. Lack of follow through tends to suggest that the instrument could easily run into trouble or could lose momentum. In other words, always be on the lookout for confirmation of strength. And one way you can tell future strength is if the market can follow through either on the weekly or on the monthly or on the daily. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. Woo! Mwah!